Hello everyone. In this video, I plan to make a necklace with Luban feature fabric. I didn't actually print the necklace, but I want to show you the process so that we can see some different applications of the fabric function. I will use a template image that looks like a necklace. And for the photo, I'm not going to use any colored necklace, so I'll just use a simple white photo as the input to the fabric function. Let's open Luban software, File Create, and Photo Magic. Set the method to fabric. Firstly, we select the template image. Then we select the photo. The photo is just a white image. This is what I have got based on the set of parameters. I set the model size to 250, Y to 350, and of course you can change these parameters. When you change, you will see that sometimes it produces a chain that is broken. So these three sets of chains are not connected. That is because the resolution is not high enough. So we have to increase it a little bit. Now everything is connected. And also it is roughly symmetric. That's the cross, and this is the necklace. We have a bit of extra. This is symmetric with this. We have a bit of extra cell that we can delete later. The color setting doesn't matter because we only have one color, so whichever value you set here, it will only produce one color. And the cell size can be adjusted just like the model size. If you reduce the cell size, it will produce a denser cell necklace. If you increase, it will produce a sparser necklace, but with the risk of some chain are not connected. So you have to really look carefully into the necklace. I chose 20 because everything seems to be connected. The point of this video, the main point, is to show you how to edit, remove some of the extra cells. For instance, 1, 2, 3. These three are extra cells. These three corresponds to 1, 2, and 3. And these two are extra cells. They are not symmetric. Obviously, you can just print it as it is. But if you prefer some kind of symmetry of the necklace, then we would like to remove this too. How do we do that? When you have the necklace and you want to remove some of the cells, you can use Luban Mesh Separate as the first step. You are going to save the separate files to the new folder. First, let me make sure that the new folder is empty. I might have something in the folder, so I'll delete it. Then select this folder, and Luban will separate all the cells as individual STL because the cell, each unit is not connected at triangle level with other units. They only interlock because of its geometric shape. This is the separated cells, and each cell is indicated by a different color. These two are the non-symmetric ones. So we will use object select, and to browse to the extra cell. So this is the line we are looking at, and I believe the extra cell is this guy. Okay. Yep, that's the one. You can use object delete to remove the selected object. Do you want to delete? Yes. Then the next one that is non-symmetric is this guy. So we continue move the slider until it is the one that we want to delete is highlighted. Object delete. Yes. Okay, I'm going to exit the selection mode. So I click object exit, object select again, or keyboard shortcut J. Click J again. It is going back to the neckness with 2 cells removed, and now they are symmetric. In order to print this, we need to do File, Export, STL. This function will save everything in this window as one STL. I'll name it Final. Then save. Close, close. Double click the final STL. This is opening it in 3D Builder. That's what we have, and you can print it. That is all for this video. In this video, I just want to show you an interesting application of the fabric function. And how do we edit these cells? We can remove the cells using the highlight tool. Thank you for your attention.